Hi everyone, Dave here, and I'm here to talk a little bit about what's new with SOLIDWORKS 2024. As you can see, we're working here with a part, and SOLIDWORKS has gone a long way to improve the visibility of different parts. Here you can see we've got three bodies in different show states. For 2024, you'll notice we now have dedicated show and hide commands whenever they're in different states, right? So we can hide all or show all as we please. SOLIDWORKS extends this capability to the combine command as well. Traditionally, when we want to combine multiple bodies, we use the combine feature. Now, in this case, what we want to do is we want to separate the valve passages from our main body. 2024 gives us the ability to make our main body transparent after the first selection. By doing so, we can now much more easily select the passages that we want to remove from our main block. Just another way that SOLIDWORKS is improving the visibility of its models in 2024.